St. Catherine's Church boiler room works on the 28th of June 17. So just a brief summary. One of the problems with this plant room was there is lots and lots of stuff in here, and prior to yesterday there was no labelling of anything. So any of the black marker labels that you see we did yesterday. So just to take you through, firstly the labelling. So we just labelled all these spurs. These are electrical fuse spurs, A, B, C, D, E, F and G, and we'll show you that we needed to label those for making an electrical diagram during the reverse engineering. Also the pumps, and it's good for everybody, well, anybody who'd be working in the church to know what's what. That big red pump there, that's the main underfloor heating pump for the church, for the main church part. Then the underfloor heating pump for the offices is here. So that pumps hot water from this manifold system here to the underfloor heating in the bathroom and ground floor there, and also to the underfloor heating on the two office floors above. So that's those two pumps. Then we have one more pump back here, which is called an auto filler pump, that keeps the pressure up in the system, and that's there's a problem with a leak in the system that I'll come back to later. And then we have the boilers, which are labelled now boiler 1, and the pump for the boiler is boiler 1 pump, and we have boiler 2 here and boiler 2 pump there. And also then we have this termination box which is critical in the electrical diagram. So when we had all those labelled, we opened everything up so that we could start tracking the wiring to see how it was done, and then we just made a temporary wiring diagram of how it had been wired in the past, and that then exposes any wiring that's not quite correct or not quite safe, and gives us a template for to work with for what can be fixed, and for putting it back together when we pull apart that big termination box in the switchboard lobby inside the main building. So that's that's the works that were done in the boiler house on the 28th. And one other thing to note there was the water in the whole system is very rusty. We drained it off this little bit, and that will lead to maintenance issues, which we discussed in another video.